So one of my internet friends, Courtney, shared a video recently and it resonated with me so much. I haven't been able to stop thinking about it. And I'm going to tag her below. Please follow her if you haven't already. But she shared a video recently about how the specific person manifestation journey is a trap, but a positive one. And I can so relate to that concept because when I started my journey of awakening and healing my deepest wounds, I wanted to get my SP back. And if you didn't know my story, I went through a very painful heartbreak 2 years ago. And it's so funny even thinking about it now because I've completely healed from that heartbreak and I feel so neutral about my ex. It almost feels like I'm not talking about myself when I talk about this heartbreak because I've grown so much. But at one point, it broke me. I literally thought I was going to die. When this person did not choose me at the time, it felt like my entire world shattered and that I was not going to make it. The pain of rejection and abandonment was so deep that I didn't even know where to begin to heal. And this is, how I found the power of EFT tapping. And I mean, this is what my page is all about. And I'm so incredibly rooted in this purpose of helping people find themselves. And sometimes it does begin with deep heartbreak like the one that I went through. Sometimes our catalyst of healing and awakening is that person betraying us, rejecting us, and abandoning us. And if you're in this position right now where you want to manifest your SP, I'm here to tell you this. This journey is going to shake you to your very core because you will understand down the line that it's not about manifesting a text. It's not about manifesting them taking you out on a romantic date, but it's about understanding what you truly desire in life to make you feel safe, loved, seen, heard, and secure. And that journey is humbling. It's incredibly eye-opening because it will bring out the worst and best parts of you. And in the middle of my journey of manifesting my SP, I just completely forgot about him. I was meditating and tapping on getting him back, but somewhere down the line, something clicked. I remembered exactly why I was here in this point in time, feeling these feelings, thinking these thoughts, and I finally understood that he was simply the catalyst for me to meet myself deeper. And I used him as a distraction for so long to avoid meeting who I truly was within. But I'll tell you, once you wake up to that, to your soul, to your higher self, there's no going back. You will forever be connected to this God within yourself, and this consciousness just leads you. And you start to have a deeper connection with love and trust. I recommend this to my clients as well. When they come to me and they say that I want this person back, I'm like, great, no judgment. You can have them back, but under one condition. You forget their existence for at least 30 days. For 1 month, I take them on a journey to just understand who they are on a deep level, why they're attracted to this person, why they want them back. And I don't usually like to hear like past lives or chemistry or karma or any of that sort, not because I don't believe in them, but when we're in like deep in that sadness or desperation, we will use anything as an excuse or a distraction from actually working on ourselves. And you need to understand that the healing journey is not just meditating in your chair for 10 minutes a day. It can start that way, but you're healing every single moment of every day. The way you respond to circumstances, the way you speak to yourself and others, the way you deal with triggers. This is why sometimes it doesn't make sense to heal alone. We are not meant to. This is why it's totally okay to seek support from people who've been through what you've been through. And this is why when I make these videos, I always talk about my offers, not because I need you to get in. I don't. But I want you to know that it's available, that support is there, that you're not alone. And you deserve to feel good about yourself and your life. And you deserve to live a life of your own and not let one person dictate your life. You deserve so much more than that. And I hope you wake up to that fact very soon. If you want to go deeper, you know where to find me. All my links at the top of my page. I would love to support you and help you meet yourself. You can ask me any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.